Welcome back. Opening scene. The Datsun, Nissan Z-Car is one of the most iconic sports cars in automotive history. First introduced in 1969, the Z-Car quickly became a symbol of performance and affordability, capturing the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. Over the years, the Z-Car has evolved, but its roots remain deeply embedded in the racing DNA that made it famous. The original Datsun 240Z was introduced with a 2.4-liter inline-six engine, producing around 151 horsepower. It was lightweight, agile, and packed with features that were typically reserved for more expensive cars. The 240Z's performance on the road and in motorsport quickly established the Z-Car as a contender in the performance car world, offering a thrilling driving experience at an affordable price. As the Z-Car evolved through the 280Z, 300ZX, and the 350Z, Nissan continued to refine its design and technology. The 300ZX, for example, introduced turbocharging and advanced electronics, pushing the envelope of performance and comfort. Throughout each iteration, the Z-Car maintained its reputation for offering an exhilarating driving experience combined with reliability and everyday usability. In 2023, Nissan introduced the highly anticipated Nissan Z, a modern take on the classic Z-Car. Featuring a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, this new model pushes out 400 horsepower, providing more performance than ever before. The exterior design stays true to the original Z-Car's styling, blending retro elements with contemporary updates, while the interior focuses on driver engagement with high-quality materials and advanced technology. What sets the Z-Car apart is its ability to balance performance with accessibility. The Z has always been a car that's not only about raw speed but also about the joy of driving. Whether on twisty back roads or a racetrack, the Z-Car has earned its reputation as a true enthusiast's vehicle. For car enthusiasts, the Z-Car isn't just a car, it's a legacy. It represents the passion for driving, the love of performance, and the evolution of a brand that continually strives to offer excitement, performance, and style at an attainable price. From the original Datsun 240Z to the latest Nissan Z, the Z-Car will always hold a special place in the hearts of automotive fans worldwide.